Hey, welcome back. Now, after creating this right timeline, lib timeline, sorry. Now we need to create the right timeline as well. So what we simply did in the home.php page, we just first of all added the menu and some dynamic topics from the table, and after that a form which we will use for search. If user wants to search, and after that the content area, the main content area, and then the user timeline, then user details. We got that from the database, the table, using the session, because the session is already activated when the user is logged in. So now let's just come here, the content timeline basically. So in the content timeline, first of all, before this div which will have the post, before this just create a form which will be action will be basically nothing at the moment. Sorry, there will be something. Action will be the same page, home.php. This will have an ID or UID or only ID, okay, and this will be equal to the user ID which we have right there above, and we have echoed that inside using the PHP. The method of this form will be post form close here and we will add an ID as well, which will be simply F, just very simple. F is the ID which will be used to little bit stylize this form. But this user ID, this PHP blocks has an ID which we have echoed, and that ID we have above the user ID here. This one we have already retrieved from the table. We need that here because we will insert this ID there with the post. So now let's add in a h2 tag, say what's in your mind. Let me show you the text. What's your question today, basically? What's your question today? Let's discuss. H2 close, and now we'll add an input. Type will be is equal to text, name will be title, and placeholder will be something, write a topic, write a title, and next will be type is equal to, next will be basically a text area tag in HTML. Text area is not a single tag, so you have to close it as well, and there you have to add basically columns. Calls is equal to call is equal to 70, and rows is equal to rows is equal to 3, for example 4. We'll check this, and the next thing will be something placeholder. We don't need that, but the name of this will be content. Okay, let's come here, press the page, and you can see this is the area and this is the title. So first of all, we'll add a BR tag to make some line breaks. After that, this is now like this, or we can just increase the size of this above form, the field, this one. For that we will use the size attribute. We can increase the size, which will be 70%, 70 pixels, or so this is something like that. So this will be 75, so both should be equal basically. Sorry, 72. think 71. Okay, no problem. And the next thing here will be a BR tag, and then input type is equal to, sorry, first we will add a select tag. Name of this will be topic, and then select close. You already know how to use this select. Inside this we have option tag. We'll say select topic, option close. Now for the next we will just go and copy this whole query, and actually we can do something like we can save this inside a inside functions. We will just right now just leave it, just okay. Let's copy it, open the functions page which you already have there, and save it. Just paste it here, create a function for this. So a function we will create for this. Just organizing it. So in the start, let's create a function get topics. This is the function, and the function also has this curly bracket which will close this at the end. And now after that, select all from topics, MySQL query in topic and things like that. Now here we'll say remove this all, and we'll say option name is equal to value is equal to topic ID, and the topic title will be appearing there basically. So that's nice, simple. We have said that this option tag will have a value which will be this one, so we will insert the value basically with the post, and the topic title itself will be appearing here below. We are working right here, I mean in this place, yes. So right here I'll say get topics is the function. Inside we have that query. Control S to save, refresh the page, and there is no topic basically. Why not? Get topics. Oh sorry, we have to make the connection as global. The connection variable basically, because this will not work inside the function, this connection variable, if this is outside the function, so this will not work. So now we have done that. It should bring us the categories. Again it's not bringing. Topic title, select all from categories, from topics. Okay. Get topics is the function name, and here get topics. oh sorry, we have not included basically the functions page here. That is the problem. We need to include from the functions folder. Functions.php is the file that we need to include first, because then we can access the functions inside this page. Now it must work. Refresh it and see, you can see HTML and CSS. We add one more, this topics folder right here, insert and say JavaScript, and one more like you know, Ajax. Let's click go. If you just refresh this, you see that here as well, JavaScript and Ajax, and you will see here as well these two. So the last thing here is to add a button. Basically, after the select, create a button. Input type is equal to submit, name will be is equal to sub, and value will be post to timeline. That's it. Control S to save. Refresh, and this is something like the button you can see right here. But this is different. You can see styling and everything is different, and this is different. So in the next lecture, we are coming back and styling it up beautifully, so we can make it more beautiful. And after that, we will first post some, publish some posts using this form, and then we will display them or show them here. So see you in the next lecture basically.